this pink glue, which is my favorite color. And we're going to use this magical liquid. And we have a spoon in a bowl and a measuring cup. Is this a measuring cup? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to use this whole bottle and let's pour it in now. Whoa, guys, look at that. Ooh, ew. This is disgusting. Maybe get bubbles in there. Ooh, so sticky. Come on, get out. Are you coming out? Okay. Oh, got some on me. Now let's pour this in the corner. Whoa, that one's full. There. Pour it all away. Okay, now let's mix it up. Spoon. Whoa. Okay, look at that. It looks like Jell-O. Does it have to look like something? Ooh! That feels like Jell-O. Why does that? I'm gonna put that in the Ew! Ew! Disgusting! Ew. That's the easiest slime ever. And if you like this video, and if you want to watch more of our video, subscribe to our channel and give a huge thumbs up right now.